Hello friends, today I will show you how to create a table in HTML. Table element is used, table tag is used to create table in HTML, and table tag is not the single tag that is used to create the table. There is a child element, the child tag, that is used to create the table row, and inside the table row we can create two kind of cells. First is called the th, the table header cell, and second is called the td, that contains the data. So let us try this. How do we create the table tag? HTML, I am going to create the HTML document. HTML document is divided into two parts, head and body, and the head portion I am providing a title, table, demo, and inside my body section I am going to create the table. First I create the header row. tr is used to create the row, th is used for table heading. So I am going to create table heading, roll number. This is my first column name. th stands for name, and th for city. I'm going to save this file on the desktop. I save this file with the extension tabledemo.html. I am minimizing this Notepad++ window and opening it. Look at this, the title is displaying here, table demo, and my table is displayed here, but it is not looking like a table. In order to display this as a table, we just add one more attribute called border. We can provide any value here. I am providing 1 pixel border, and look at this, what will happen to my table. It is displaying like this one. We can also use one more row for table data, tr, and look at this, td for roll number value 101, and td, this is for J Kumar, and td, and this will be new Delhi. Save it. I'm to save it and opening my browser. Look at this, the difference between th and td is very clear in this output, that my table heading data is displayed in bold color and center aligned, but my td data is displayed in left align and plain text, not a bold text. So let's copy this data and add some more rows. I'm going to save, and please look at this. This is the table, and let's have some more attribute that has the part of table tag. What I have to do is that I am going to provide the width for the table. Width in my table attribute, table tag is used to provide width for the table. I am going to provide width for 400 pixels. By default I am going 400 pixels, and you can see the output is very good and clear. Then what happened with my width? So next thing that we can use is that we can use align. We can provide left, right, and center. Left means by default this is left align, right means we can provide the table into the right, and center means we can use it for center table. And the next thing we can provide is cell spacing. Cell spacing is nothing, you can see that there is a space between the cells. We can provide we can remove this space by providing 0 to cell spacing. Okay, but if you provide some big data, then you can use, please look at this, the space between the tables has been increased. So this is not the real scenario, this is not used. This is what basically want. This is a good table. And the next attribute, the next important attribute is cell padding attribute. Cell padding is nothing but the distance between the data and the cell border, and if I provide 10, it will make the data and the border distance to 10 pixel wide. And you can see this is my table tag. We can use if you want to specifically align the data in my cell we can suppose I want to make my first cell data to center line. We can see this is center line. One more thing that we can use, we can also use width for this one. If I provide width and just one cell we provide width and the next other a whole column will get the same width. Let us say I provide 100 pixel width. Look at this, the whole column width is. So thank you friends, this is my video for HTML. Thank you very much. Bye.